Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Julia, and today we have me and Lizzie, my sister. We wanted to make it super bright for today's video. So today me and Lizzie are gonna be cooking cookies out of Play-Doh. Lizzie's gonna be making cupcakes. So, oh, thank you for the tray, Lizzie. I was looking for this. Okay, time to get started. So we have this tray.
Hey, Julia, look, I make a star cookie again.
Oh, thank you. That's for you. Okay, so we have this Play-Doh grape flavor with this spoon. What you want to do is you'll want to put the spoon in the Play-Doh. Get one.
Julia,
two.
Julia, can I have the apple one?
What apple?
That one, the apple one.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, and you'll have the
I
grape
can't
one.
find where my second one went, so we need to make one.
No,
Okay,
Julia.
Okay.
I'm making some bacon and eggs, Julia.
Last one.
I'm making cookies, I'm making eggs, and stop dropping it.
Okay, and we have this, and we have that. We will want to do that. We want to get it all smooth for today's video. Because next video, these cookies are gonna be seen in the next video. Because my next video is gonna be a coffee shop. So you better check that out. Did I drop something? Oh, I did. I dropped my stall. Okay. So for today's video, I'm making all stall cookies. Okay, now that's all done. Now we would want to put the stall there. Okay. That's it. And here you go, a stall.
Julia,
A stall.
and I made some diamonds.
After this video, I'll have to set a timer for 12 minutes. No, that's yours. To make the cookies. Okay. Not gonna lie, these are real cooking stuff. Not gonna lie. Where did my spoon go? Here it is. Okay, like last time, 3 scoops. If you lose any, then that is gonna be okay. Okay, that's been 3 scoops. Then we do that. Yeah.
Yeah, we need some knives.
No, we don't need a knife, Lizzie. That's only for cakes. But we can make a cake on the next video.
Oh, I need a knife.
Okay.
Oh, Julia, I found something. I found another spoon.
Thank you. I don't need that.
It's gonna drop in it.
Okay, that one been a fail. But let's try. Yeah. Do that. Okay, here's yourself another cookie. But you can make a lot of cookies as you can. But okay, we have these and we have this. Wait. I used the wrong one. Here's a bucket of water, just in case you put it in the wrong one. Here cute it is. Okay, this is to make the cookies shine. So right now we're polishing them. So you see, yeah, I'm polishing them. Okay. Ah, one fell. Okay, now I need a... I'm trying to get this off as I can. Because I am a little chef. Okay, so I have this little bucket. I'm going to put the cookies in. Then I have this.
Make
Okay.
your power shine.
We're going to do that. Okay, the cookies are done. So now it's time to put them in the oven. Do you want to follow me to put them in the oven? Let's do it. So our oven is right over here. We got this toy kitchen from Santa a couple years ago. And we didn't even ask for it, but we got it anyways. Okay. I put it in there, then we do that on bake. Okay, and we're gonna wait about 12 minutes. Oh, dough ready. We're gonna make more of these by ourselves, not in a video. So goodbye, guys. You'll see these cookies next video. And after that video, we're gonna make a cake video. Bye, everybody.